Hello everyone. Today I have a Jeep Gladiator. It is a 2020 model year. I bought it from US like 4 or 5 months ago, and it just shipped to Cambodia. I just clean it up, get it polished to make it a bit newer, and now it is ready. It is an Overland. I think the Overland is like a third trim of the Gladiator lineup after the Sport I model. This pickup Jeep look so good. Very nice. I got this side LED van aftermarket, and the side marker also aftermarket. Honestly, I love the rim. I think this rim is look nicer than the Rubicon rim. Very nice. This Gladiator comes with the V6 Penesta 3.6 liter. It is of the petrol engine. This is my first time to try the Gladiator, and I think it's try better than the Sahara. Sorry, my old Jeep it is Wrangler Sahara. This one is try better. I love the angle. Let's see the inside. Overland. It still look very young because it has only about 6K mile, less than that, and come with the 8.4-inch screen and auto dim mirrors. It's look very new. I love this picture. Very nice. It has a little scratch over there. The rear seat is good. I think it is the best in class of the mid-size pickup rear seat. Window control. Very nice Jeep. Okay everyone, thanks for your watching. Goodbye.